Oh, hey kids. Oh, you don't want these boring old eggs. You want Hopper eggs. Filled with any candy you would like. Where could the hidden egg be? Can you see? What's in here? My super strength. Reese's. I don't really like Reese's, but we'll go with it. Where could the other egg be? There it is. Wonder what could be in here. Strawberry candy, my favorite. Okay. Where could the other egg be? Over there. You found it in the bug. Super strength. Watermelon Jolly Rancher. Okay, I like these. Time to wash some dishes. Do you see that in the egg? Oh my gosh. I hope this is Jolly Ranchers. Reese's! I can't take Reese's anymore! You can buy these Hopper eggs for $5. You know what? 25 cents. Is that good?
Yup, that was good. Alright, wrap it up, everyone. Back home.
Hey, Hop Off, how was that? Oh, that was pretty good. Oh, yeah. Okay. See you next week. You have rehearsal on Friday. Okay, goodbye. That was fun.